Protect your wheels effectively with Profi Nano Wheel Seal. The particularly intensive basic clean completely removes any rough and visible contamination. The special nano wheel cleaner that is used also prepares the wheel parts chemically for the sealing process. After a brief reaction period, the remains of the cleaner are removed with clean water. Any remaining moisture is absorbed by a dry paper towel. Then the surface is treated intensively and evenly with nano wheel seal. This immediately forms an intelligent bond with the surface and makes it extremely resistant and dirt repellent. From now on, the wheel is protected long-term against salt, moisture and aggressive brake debris, and has that easy-to-clean effect. The seal enables owners to clean their wheels simply without doing damage to the environment with chemicals, even if the wheels have been subjected to plenty of use. This product has the TÜV seal certifying its effectiveness.